Navigating and gaining access to the document formatting, keyboarding textbook. Go ahead to the MindTap Access and the link. This is the only MindTap Cengage that looks different from your regular dashboard, so you are in the right place. If you wanted to go directly to the lessons, to go ahead of what's open in Blackboard, you could scroll down. These are all the lessons in the beginning, and you probably start with page 3, and then if you scroll up, you'll see the lessons that we're currently working on. If you click the triangle, it'll open up the lessons as a breakdown, so if you want to work on them on your own. Otherwise, you can work right from Blackboard. And going back to the first page, to access the book at the beginning, this is your textbook, so you'll click the link to open the textbook. So this takes you right to the textbook, and we're working right now currently in Level 2, Formatting and Word Processing Essentials, and we're working on Module 4, Memos and Letters. So when you start a lesson and then begin the tasks, you're just doing it right from MindTap Cengage, the associated screen. But if you wanted to, so this is exactly what your warm-up would be, but it's directly on the program. But this is exactly what you'd be typing for the timed writing out of the textbook. Sometimes they introduce new commands, and if you're not sure of how to do a certain feature that's in the simulated lessons, you could come here and read the instructions in more detail. In the simulated Cengage Word document, they're assuming you already know how to do it. So if you ever had any questions on how to do a particular new task, you can get it right directly from the textbook, which you have access to in your MindTap link. So hopefully this will help you out if you wanted to read on, and again it breaks it down to the different lessons and the different skills that you're working on, the warm-up, the timed writings, improving keystroking, new commands, and then the additional letter parts. So you have access to this at all times. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.